Watch him stop right at 10. Ain't nothing new here. Reset that so I know. Since the Pirellis don't have gas gauges, at least I don't know about the new ones, but for mine, reset my trip so I know when I get low on gas. If I'm hauling ass, if I get to around 80 to 100 miles, I know I need gas. If I'm just cruising highway speeds for a long time, I can do 120, 130, 140 miles just cruising. Not bad. So I don't know what we have going on today, but I really want to look for some trouble, find out what's going on, see if there's any bikers out there that want to get eaten up, maybe some supercars. It's gonna be hard to find something out here on a Tuesday afternoon. Who knows? Bike's looking somewhat together. Got some new titanium bolts in the mail this morning, so that was cool. I forgot to wear earplugs. I forgot how loud this helmet is. Holy moly! I just passed by a freaking semi-truck and I got the worst rock chip. I wouldn't say it's the worst, but pretty significant. I can see it in the corner of my eye, this rock chip on my brand new windscreen. Oh man, what a bummer. Man, there's nothing out here. It's a dry season. Or maybe it's because everyone's at work. That's a possibility. Whoa, watch out. Watch out. We got a Harley rider getting speed wobbles at 90 miles an hour. Look at that thing. They have to get rid of the dual suspension in the back. It's not right. You gotta go with a single rear shock, dude. That dude's wobbling all over the place. Oh my goodness. Let's try going south. Oh, there's a motorcycle cop up there. Yeah, I'm good. No thanks. No, thank you. I will pass. Oh, he was going right anyways. Ooh, those guys give me the EBGBs. Double greens, wow. Look at me. There's a Camaro, is that a ZL1? Or 1LE? Something? Let's see what this Camaro's got. Okay, that's just, I think that's just a regular V6. Come on! Have you lost your damn mind? Looks like Lil Yachty is driving that Camaro. Watch this, I'll make him sell that Camaro and buy a street bike next week. You watch. god, there's 2 more cops! Motorcycle cops! Don't tell me there's more. Oh my goodness, yeah. That's a no-no! Nice day out to not get arrested. I don't know about you guys, but I always get anxious every time I'm speeding on the freeway and I get off an exit and I feel like someone I passed maybe a mile ago, 2 miles ago, a whole freeway ago possibly, will probably park their car on the exit and walk up to me and probably start hitting me or screaming at me. I mean, you never know. It's happened before. I try not to bother anyone too much, but sometimes I cut through cars or, you know, speed past them, and I'm not justifying it. Obviously, there's some people that are probably not going to be in the best of moods. Well, hopefully you just pick your battles and make the right choice. It's a beautiful view right here. A lot of water. You can see Phoenix all the way down there. Nice. Oh my god, the exhaust is waking up today. Dang, even the girls are out already in bikinis. Jeez, it's only March. That's when you know. If you guys wonder why everyone hangs out at Dutch Bros in the summertime on their bikes, there's a good reason right there. No riders out today. Really? Right here? Oh, there's another one. Guys, I'm being surrounded. Let me give myself some space. Didn't even look. My biggest concern is the cop driving by and being like, oh, look at that moron with no headlights on his bike. I for sure thought he was gonna pull over and just stop right here, and if that was the case, I was ready to back up and take off that way. I could have gone left right there, but I think I'm gonna swap my GoPro battery just to be safe and head home. We got 18% left. Woo! That Aprilia does not want to start when it's hot, I'll tell you that. Alright guys, we're about 15 minutes from home and I got about 18%. I think we can make it. If not, I will see you in the next video. So the other day I posted a video of me getting the speed wobbles on my bike, which is very stupid. But someone said, lighten up the handlebars a little bit, and I always thought, you know, I always do, yeah. But when I accelerated on the freeway right there, I noticed I was grabbing the bars so dang tight. And that's so stupid, I have no reason to be grabbing the bars that tight. So, if you think you're not doing it, you probably are. Keep that in mind, because I for sure thought I was light on the bars, but accelerating, I was holding on pretty tight. Oh my goodness, this helmet is aerodynamic. Oh my god. I guarantee it was too loud, but that flame it spit out was so crispy. Oh my goodness. I gotta get an external mic that can pick up from back there, because that sounds so good. Oh, come on, is that an Undercover? And is he exiting my exit? Get him. Get him. Get him! Get that Camaro! We don't like Camaros today. Okay, I'm good. He's not exiting. Oh, that was a state trooper. Ooh, that Camaro's lucky. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching again. Make sure to subscribe And follow me on Instagram to stay updated with weekly posts. And I will see you on the next one.